Hello, this is Susan Nash, and welcome to Wikis in Canvas. This is in Canvas for collaboration, and we're going to talk about how we can collaborate using wikis and how to build a wiki. So we'll talk about when to use a wiki and how to set up a wiki in Canvas. And at the end of this section, you should be able to evaluate the best time to use a wiki and show how wikis can help achieve learning objectives. And we'll create wikis in Canvas. We will not go too far in depth, but this is just an introduction. So what is a wiki and what is it good for? It's good for collaboration and social learning, community building, and it's great for developing a definition that you all contribute to, kind of like in Wikipedia, right? And wiki is from Hawaiian for fast. Pros and cons of wikis. They are collaborative, constructivist, but users can overstep and introduce bias, and you need a very clear concept for a definition. Good wiki topics versus bad wiki topics. Good wiki topics are clear, easy to define, and encourage collaboration. Bad wiki topics are basically yes or no answers, does not lend itself to a definition or concept, something you would not find in a dictionary, or so specialized that only one person has the knowledge needed to create the entry. So when you set up your wiki, you use collaboration and Google Docs. You can embed an outside wiki such as Wikidots, and the advantages of using a cloud-based wiki is that it's more flexible and it lasts longer than the course, but the downside is that it's outside the virtual learning environment and it does not integrate with Canvas. So let's just focus on collaborations that integrate with Canvas. So let's go to a course. Let's jump in here and look at this course that we've looked at before, Graduate Research and Writing, the happy flags. And then let's go down to collaborations. Click on collaborations, and notice we have a definition of collaborations. We can look at that if we want to right now, but we don't. And we're going to use Google Docs. We can use Office 365 in this case, but let's stick to Google Docs. Okay, define a good thesis statement. Please collaborate and create a document that includes the attributes of a good thesis statement. Okay, so we want to collaborate with, we don't have any special group set up, so we're just going to collaborate with, well, we can collaborate with everyone by highlighting everybody or putting everybody in there. So let's just do it. Well, maybe let's put myself in there. We'll put a few. We don't have to put everybody. Or we could just go through and highlight and enter. And let's just say we'll start collaborating. So it takes a while because now something broke unexpectedly. That's not good. So let's just go back and collaborate again. And let's try define a good thesis statement. And let's see if it'll open. Yes, it opens. So not to worry, and notice I must have a Gmail account. So in order to do that, here I'm revealing my Gmail account, right? Eek. Maybe I'll change it, but that's okay. But the thing is that you have to have a Gmail account to make it work, and you can't. I mean, that's the nature of Gmail and Google collaboration, right? So let's go back to the collaboration, and let's go back to the home. And if we want to make an announcement, we can make an announcement that It is now available. A wiki is now available. Just please check in collaborations. We can go into more detail and explain that it's a wiki too, but we'll do that later. So, how do we assess people in the wiki? We can grade for participation. We can encourage teamwork. We can grade the final product, and along the way we can encourage teamwork, etc. So, wikis are very flexible. Students tend to like them. They're easy to implement. They create a sense of community, but we must demonstrate leadership and avoid possible pitfalls such as bias or single voice domination. And also, we need to reassure the students that will not be just erased, that if they collaborate, that we'll collaborate respectfully. So that's a basic introduction to wikis. In the next video, we will talk about cloud-based presentation software for collaboration in Canvas. And it will again be an introduction.